Okay, so first we start with a magic circle. A lot of people get confused with the magic circle, but I'm going to try to do it slowly, so just for those that have trouble with it. So when I start a magic circle, I take the yarn and I make sure it's facing me. Okay, so this is facing me. I hold it here with 2 fingers, and then I wrap it around and make an X. Okay, so the X is, I like to put the X like right here, right on my index finger. Then you take your crochet hook and you're going to go up like this. Okay, you're going to grab this and you're going to twist it. See? So you twist it, and it's hard. This is going to be hard. You see how I'm holding this with my pinky and this finger? I'm holding the yarn. And then I'm holding the tail with my thumb and this finger. So this finger right here is actually holding 2. It's holding it with my thumb, and it's holding my pinky is holding it on there. And that's just how I do it. Other people might hold it a different way, but I find this is the best way for me, and it's never easy. Okay, so there's one. Now your circle is a circle. We're going to chain 3. 1. Now this part you can take it off because this is going to make it easier. Just take the whole circle off, hold it right there, and then just do the rest of your chains. 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to do 2 double crochets, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it right here. Make sure that this part is held, and then hold it again with this part. So I'm just going to kind of pinch it and hold it so that there's a loop right there, and I'm going to work in that loop. Okay, so crochet over, put it in the loop, then I'm going to hold it at the bottom. I'm constantly adjusting when I make it, and then I get that loop, pull it through, 3, chain 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to pull this a little bit just to make that circle smaller. So you take the tail, pull. Okay, it's a little bit more manageable. One, 2, 3. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. I'm going to pull the tail really tight. Okay, so see? Last slip stitch, I'm going to switch to orange. So I already got my slip knot on here. Put that through, give it a little tug. Okay. Oops. Actually, I want to pull it through this way. Okay, so I'm going to pull that through the corner, and I'm going to make it a slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain 3. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to switch to the background color. I'm going to use green, and since I'm switching colors, I'm going to take this out, put my hook back through these loops for the last stitch, and I'm going to use the new color to finish that stitch, and then I'll give it a clean color change. Okay, so see? Two, 3, and I'm not going to finish because I'm changing to the cat color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the green, pick up the orange, and I'm going to pull the green over here with the white so it is laying next to the work, and I'm going to finish the stitch with the orange, and then I'm going to chain 2 and do 3 double crochets in the corner, and it's going to wrap around the work and the white and the green, just so it can carry over in the back. Okay, so again, so see how I carried over the yarn? So it goes through all these loops. See, and there's the white and the orange. And again, you're gonna have the back is gonna look like this. Okay, you can see the carryovers. So if you don't like that, then you need to cut the yarn, and you're going to have all those tails to weave in, and if you don't mind that, then go ahead and do that. You can cut it each time and weave in the backs. I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead, and you do see it a little in the front, you know, but it's really, to me, it's not that much of a big deal. Some people think it's a big deal, so if you think it's a big deal, you go ahead and you just cut that, and we'll all be good. But this next one I am changing to white, so I'm gonna finish this cluster, drop the orange, pick up the white, and then I'm gonna make sure that these two are close to the work. Finish that stitch, yarn over, and then do 3 double crochets right here, and I'm doing them right around the yarn in the back to carry it over. Okay, so I need to change it again, so I'm going to keep it on these 2 loops, and I'm going to change it back to orange. So I'm going to drop the white, and I'm going to pick up the orange, and then I'm going to pull it through those 2 loops. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the corner, and I'm going to do 3 double crochets, and I'm going to keep those really close to the edge, just on the back. Oops. Do that over. Are they both there? Nope. Okay. Oh, that green's really showing because I didn't pull it back enough. There. Ooh, so the last one, I'm going to change this to the background color. So I'm going to drop the orange, pick up the green, and I'm going to pull it through the loop, and I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to make 3 double crochets, holding on to these two back colors. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is how you carry color. I'm going to change it again to the, lots of color changes in this, so you'll be a pro at that.